Hey everyone, it's Tina and I am excited to show you what I have been working on this past month with Paper Pumpkin this time. So super in love with these kits. I'm also loving the kit together boxes that come out. These come out 2 kits per month. And then Paper Pumpkin comes out 1 kit per month, and it's a subscription. And once you're a subscriber, you have access to past kits. So I'm super excited to show you what I've been doing today with the Fun in the Sun past kit. I think this kit is from 1 year ago, July of 2023. And what this kit included was 9 fun fold cards, which I have right here, which I have created with. And it included an ink spot, which was, I want to say smoky slate. It was a gray. It included adhesive dots. It included gems that are in here that you can't see. And then it included this really fun little stamp set. And so what I have been doing is taking these Paper Pumpkin kits from my subscription or past subscriptions and turning them into scrapbook pages. So let me show you the first layout that I made. It's right here. Ta-da! 2-page layout using all of the products that come in that kit. And of course I used the different die cut pieces for the fun fold cards here, and I'm going to show you an example of that. So here we go. This is one of the cards. You can see it's a fun fold, how it sits. It lays flat, and you add all of these little elements. And what I did instead was I took these elements and I added them to scrapbook layouts. Okay, isn't that fun? I even took this bottom piece, added it here to my photo mat, but you can still tuck a photo in. So there's one of the layouts, of course, adding the 12 by 12 cardstock. And then let me show you another one of the layouts. Again, I love the envelopes that come in Paper Pumpkin. They're always so pretty. So you do get the cards in the envelopes, and I'll show you. The envelopes look like this. And I have kept enough to use with the cards I made, but I couldn't resist using that on my scrapbook page because it pulled in such nice colors and incorporated the elements from the cards. So here we go. This is another fun fold card. You get 9 of these in the box. See how it folds up? And again, I took these different elements and then I used them on the scrapbook page with some torn cardstock, some torn glitter paper, and then these are the little banners that come in the set for you to stamp on. And I used 2 of those banners, one here that you can journal on and write what you want, and then one here I stamped Hello Sunshine just from that cute stamp set that comes in the Paper Pumpkin box. So it's really cool that we get these because these are going to be usable all year long once your Paper Pumpkin kit is done. So that is a layout number 2. And then here is layout number 3, and I love it. And this, again, the elements are taken from another one of the cards. Let's see if I have one of those put together. Here's the 3 cards. I don't know which one it was. Maybe not. I used the element. This was one of these pieces like this. See how they come? You attach them to the fun fold of the card, but instead of attaching them, I added them right to the layout along with the different elements that would go on the card. I still stamped on it, but I added it to the page, did that paper tearing again, stamped one sentiment from the set because I thought it was really good. I see brighter days ahead, and then added my journaling strips. So again, you have to add the 12 by 12 cardstock and the photo mats because those don't come in the kit, but you can easily turn these kits into fun scrapbooking workshops and still have enough to make several cards. So they fold like that. I'll lay them flat. It's easier for you guys to see. So I still have 5 cards that I was able to make from the box. after making my 3 12 by 12 layouts. So that is what I have been working on. Again, it is the Paper Pumpkin kit. You can only get these if you are a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, but the good news is that if you're a subscriber, you can get past kits and you can get past kit refills, which is wonderful. So if this is something you haven't done yet and you think you might like it, but you weren't sure because you're not a huge card maker, I hope I am showing you that it doesn't matter. You don't have to be a card maker to use these kits. You can make wonderful layouts using the cardstock that I know we all have in our stash, especially with the cardstock carnival sale that Close to My Heart had right before closing. So there's so much you can do with it. So there you go. That is what has been on my desk this last month and what I have been creating with. So thanks for joining us today, and leave a comment if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, and I'm happy to get back to you. All right, talk to you later. Bye.